Hey everyone, in this video it's going to be the superficial arm veins. Hopefully this is just a really quick video. I encourage you to go and watch the complete anatomy video I'm going to do on this, just because I think it's way easier to understand doing that. But let's do this. So first you're going to want to draw in your superior vena cava. We haven't talked about it yet, but you will. So we might as well just expose you to it now. When it comes to the veins, you're going to have your heart right here. I like to draw it this way, it's a lot easier. But this is going to come right down into that heart. Okay? The superior vena cava, all the blood that's getting drained from uh, basically from the sternum up comes through that superior vena cava, all that blood. And what's crazy about it is uh, on both left and right, it's brachiocephalic veins that come right into that superior vena cava. And then from there, it's going to be subclavian, then axillary, and this is how it's going to be on both sides, both left and right. So, in your book, go ahead and draw in the superior vena cava, then draw in brachiocephalic vein, and then this one that's coming right up here, right above that clavicle. There's your subclavian vein. Just like it does in the artery, as soon as it passes underneath that clavicle, it is now the axillary vein. Okay? And then we're finally going to get into the numbers. So, this one in pink that comes more lateral, that's going to be your cephalic vein. You might hear me call it an artery, and I apologize. But this one, number one, is you're going to be your cephalic vein. Number two, that one is going to be your basilic. The best way I kept these separated from one another is B being on the more medial side, which is going to be closer to your boob. So um, that's where you're going to find your basilic vein, is it's going to be closer to your boob. And then your cephalic, more lateral. And then number three, coming off of your cephalic, coming into the medial side, that is going to be your median cubital. You might hear of this as being your median cephalic. You might hear of this one right here this one being your median cephalic. And then you might hear of this one being called your median basilic. But this is your median cubital. And then where this comes down in and all through here, this is going to be your median antebrachial vein. And then if you keep going down through here, that's still going to be your cephalic vein. And then coming down right there, that's still going to be your basilic vein. Okay. Like I said, really short video. That's really it for this one. Please like it if it helped. Um, please leave a comment below if you feel like I could have covered something just a little bit more so I can make those changes. So, thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, I just want to give credit where credit is due. These are the books and the resources I used for the videos. So first we have Essentials of Human Anatomy by Dr. Kurt Walker. We then have Essential Clinical Anatomy by Keith L. Moore and M.R. Auger and Arthur F. Daly. I also used Structure and Function of the Human Body by Mark Nilsson and Jamie Garbett. The last book I have is The Concise Book of Trigger Points by Simon Neil Asher. And then I used the app called Complete Anatomy. As you've seen from the videos, it's amazing. If you can afford it, I suggest it. It's such a useful tool when learning this stuff. So that's it. Have a good day.